Hey guys, today we're back into another video. As you can see, you spawn right here, right next to a village with a blacksmith that have god loot and a ruin portal. If you go to the blacksmith, this is the combined loot of the blacksmith. Here, as you can see, with 6 diamonds and 5 obsidian. If you get the obsidian and go to the ruin portal, you can finish it using the fire charge inside. Wait a minute. This is the fire charge. And let me break this. We cannot fix the and you can finish the portal. You can finish the portal. And plus, if you go here to this coordinates, you will find the stronghold down below the village right here. Wait a minute, and yep, here it is guys, the stronghold. And by the way, if this helps you, please like and subscribe if you're new to my channel. Bye, see you in the next video.